Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Sadie. Today we have the Redragon K579 Manyu mechanical keyboard. I have been using this keyboard for about 2 months and now it is the time for its review. Let's get right into it. The keyboard is of decent quality, weighing around 1.1 kilograms according to its website. The body is not made of metal, but the plastic used is of decent quality. The height can be adjusted with 2 feet at the front. The cable is not braided, but it is durable enough. Overall, the build quality is decent considering its price. Talking about the keys, it contains 114 keys, but only 104 out of them are mechanical. The rest are plastic keys, out of which 5 are macros. There is one record key which can be used to record button combination in the macros. Similarly, there are 3 media control keys and 1 brightness key. The brightness key can be used to control the brightness of the RGB lighting. Similarly, there is also a dedicated volume slider which is of course used to control the level of volume. It can also control the brightness of RGB as I said earlier. The keycaps are double shot, which means the letter printed on them won't go away easily. The switches used seem to be from Outemu. There is no any information about the switches in the website. It only says Cherry MX equivalent. They are blue switches and yes, they are pretty loud. They are not suitable for you if you use your PC in a silent environment. I have used this keyboard for 2 months and switches are fine till now. Let's talk about everyone's favorite thing, RGBs. There are 18 different RGB effects available and 9 different colors for each key. Per key RGB is not available, which means you won't be able to adjust the color of a single key. If you want to see all the RGB effects, then please search on YouTube. There are already a lot of videos available. The keyboard does not have a dedicated software as most of the things can be done from the keyboard itself. However, you can use the Redragon K580's software to change the RGB effects. It works without any problem. Now let's talk about the bad side, or you can simply say the cons of this keyboard. First thing are the macro keys. The macros on this thing are literally useless. There is very less delay between the button combination, because of which they won't even get detected by most of the programs. I tried them on OBS and they didn't work. If there was a program to increase the delay, then they might have worked. So if you are buying this keyboard for the extra macros key, then I am sorry to disappoint you, but they are useless. Second thing are the switches. There is no information about the switches, whether they are hot swappable or not. But you get a keycap puller and a switch puller with the keyboard. If the switch puller is included, then of course it means the switches can be removed and they are hot swappable. But it is not. You cannot remove the switches. I almost broke one of my switch in process of removing it. I don't know why they included the switch puller if there is no use of it. Once again, sorry to disappoint you if you are thinking of replacing the switches after buying the keyboard. Overall, the keyboard is pretty decent at its price. The build quality is solid. Keycaps are good. Switches are good. If you do not need extra macros, don't want to replace the switches, or don't need per key RGB, then this keyboard is for you. You can go for it. I don't think you will find a better option around its price tag. So that was my review of the K579 Manyu from Redragon. What do you think about it? Please mention in the comments. Also like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.